Hello everyone, welcome back here once again. Thank you so much for clicking onto this video. I truly appreciate every single one of you. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you all my recipe for peppered chicken. Sit back, relax, and watch me put all of this together. Thank you. So I am going to start first of all by making the marinade for the chicken. In the blender, I just added in peeled garlic. Next is ginger, onions. There's actually no measurement to this. I just eyeball everything. Next, I add green chili. I want it very, very hot. So I'm also going to add in some parsley. I'll just blend this until it's very smooth. I am using vegetable oil to blend, not water. All done and ready to be used. Already I have my chicken washed very clean. Now I am going to season first of all with some dry ingredients. That's all-purpose seasoning, some salt, and some white pepper. Just season your chicken to your preference. I'll mix and make sure that is well incorporated. Next, I'll now add in the blended marinade. Okay, I'll just rub that in. Next, I add in paprika because I really want it hot like I mentioned earlier. You can marinate and keep and then fry, but I'm just going to throw this in the oven, grill while we make the pepper sauce. So I'll just throw this in the oven using 250 Celsius for about 30 minutes. Next, the peppers to which we are going to roughly blend. I just showed us 1 tomatoes, 1 onions. I'm going to be using 3 Scotch bonnet peppers. These peppers are really, really hot. And then I have 1 bell pepper there. The paprika on the tray, I just brought it out from the oven, is about 4 pieces, already cleaned and chopped them into small bits. Next is Oziza seed, that's African black pepper. It's going to add flavor to it as well. So I did blend that off the camera, and now we're going to start cooking. In the frying pan there, you notice I added in oil. When it was hot, I added in some chopped onions. I'll fry for 2 minutes. Next is my spices. I like to add this to the oil so that it helps release a lot of flavor into the stew before I add in the peppers. So those spices you saw me adding was curry, seasoning powder, thyme, rosemary, and salt. Now I add in the roughly blended peppers. I'm going to fry this for about 10 to 15 minutes until I'm sure it is very, very dry. If you're watching to this point and you're not following the page or following my YouTube channel yet, please click the follow button. Drop me your thoughts in the comment section. I'd like to interact with you guys. So what you see here is after 15 minutes. Now I've added in the blended Oziza seeds. I'll just allow this cook for another 3 minutes and then we'll come back. Look how beautiful the pepper looks. It is really dry now. So I'm going to add in the chicken, which is ready as well. Okay? Then I'm going to mix, and allow this cook for only 5 minutes. So the chicken actually can absorb all of the sweetness from the peppers. Guys, give this video a thumbs up. Follow the page, follow my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching up to this point. It's actually ready. I'm just garnishing with onions and some green chili. If you do try this out, come back and drop me your thoughts in the comment section. And thank you for watching to this point and giving me your support. I'll see you all in another video. Meanwhile, this can be enjoyed as a side dish as well as a main dish.